Hi guys, back again. This is his fry from New Forest. Thank you very much, Rick. They're growing absolutely fine. We've not lost none yet, touch wood. Some beautiful colours. What are showing now? Some are big, some are small still. It's my mind your own business. And my husband's just built that just for mind your own business to grow and whatnot. Like, you know, it's not a proper tank, it's a fry tank or a treating tank, whichever. And then this is bigger. There's some beautiful fish. Just can't wait to see more colouring when fry get bigger. We've just smartened it up for now because I didn't want all mess and whatnot this year on garden. So yeah. Do you like me gonorrhea? Yeah. What a weird name. And then this is the other tank, fishing thing, tank, whatever. Same again, mind your own business, just build something to make that grow, and it's got oyster shells in that one and in the others as well. We've got 9 fish in here. Bet they're so shy. They only come out at night because it's got a nice light in there. You can't see, it's just reflecting me. But yeah, other than that, all good. And can I just say a big shout out to Twisted Toya. He's absolutely amazing. He knows his stuff. We love watching. So yeah guys, like and subscribe. Thank you very much.